Good morning once again. And now let us learn that as we have revised capital letters and small letters of English, it's time now to begin with the two-letter words. Let us copy the today's date first in our notebook, 17th June 2020. We are going to learn the two-letter words. And today we are first going to begin with A series, that is A and an, A-T, at, A-S, as, A-D, at, A-P, app, A-N, an, A-T, at, A-S, as, A-D, at, A-P, app. My dear children, these are the two-letter words which begin with A. Now I am going to tell you, with the help of these two-letter words, we can also proceed with some rhyming words of three letters. For example, A, N, an. If it is A, N, an, what can it be? C-A-N. My dear children, as you all know, C says K. That means K. C-A-N, can. If it is C-A-N, can, then what it will be? M-A-N. M says M. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. F-A-N. If it is C-A-N, can, M-A-N, man, what it will be? F-A-N? Yes, it will be F-A-N, fan. F says fur. So, this way you can also practice the two-letter words along with three-letter words in rhyming. Let us see one more. A-T, at. If it is A-T, at, what it will be? B-A-T. My dear children, B says burr. B-A-T, bat. C says K, so C-A-T, cat. F says fur, so it will be F-A-T, fat. Now look at this. It's a fun learning these two letters with three letters and rhyming words. So at a time we are learning three things: two-letter words, rhyming words, and which are in three letters: A-N, an, C-A-N, can, M-A-N, man, F-A-N, fan. Here, A-T, at, B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat, and F-A-T, fat. Isn't it a fun? Yes, and I hope you will enjoy writing these two letters and three letter words. My dear children, yesterday I posted a story for you. I hope you all liked the story. It was a musical donkey. A story about a donkey and a jackal. I hope you all enjoyed. You must go through that story again and again so that you can tell it orally. Okay, dear children, bye for today. See you all tomorrow morning. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.